Take a look at this beauty. First time doing a video on this particular model. This is a 2010 Bentley. That's the Continental Supersports. That's what this was considered. A little different than the Continental. A little upgraded from there, a little more horsepower. This particular car has a 6-liter in it, twin turbo, charged 6-liter that is, dual overhead cam, W12 aluminum block and heads. This would be a true supercar. It's a 200 plus mile per hour car, 204 I believe was the top speed. Horsepower 620 some odd horse, 621 I believe it is. This car is a clean Carfax, no accidents, obviously adult owned, well maintained. The engine in this car, as far as the power plant, very, very, very reliable and durable engine from Bentley. Something else about this is you notice the red color. This particular car is dragon red. Most of the Bentleys you're going to see are a St. James red, and the Continental GTs, what have you. This particular one is dragon red, which would have been a special order by the original owner to get it in dragon red. This may be the only dragon red Bentley Continentals like this in the United States. So you won't see a lot of these going down the road. A lot of carbon fiber used in the car to lighten it up. This particular black inlay back here is actually an adjustable wing that can be raised to create downforce in the rear of the car. I mean, there's a ton of things about this car I do not know. Feel free to Google it and check it out. You'll learn a lot from the car and drivers and the road and tracks as just glancing through, just gaining a little bit of basic knowledge on this car and what I've come up with from the previous owner. Check out the still pictures. You can see the engine bay underneath the car, the trunk, the interior. Still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call too. We'll sure discuss the car with you. Wondering about maybe enclosed shipping to your location. Feel free to give us a call too. 507-386-1726. Think of that 12-cylinder underneath the hood. Just incredible sound out of this car. We'll get around to the side and start it up for you so you get to hear it. You can check out up and down the car. I mean, there might be a few minor little rock chips that were touched up in the front, but overall, paint, very nice condition. Rims in nice condition. Tires are in good shape. It's kind of cool. The backs of these seats are all carbon fiber. Rear seat was deleted, which in those Continental GTs was pretty much useless unless you were a very, very, very small person or child. It's the same seats are in the Bugatti, I do believe. I remember seeing that somewhere. The original floor mats, those are also in the trunk. Check those out in the still pictures. This does have a 6-speed automatic transmission that can be shifted just like a manual. You can see the shifters up on the column there. Again, there's so much about this car that you'll read up and can learn about that I don't know or can't tell you. Can tell you it's a true supercar. Like I said, 204 miles per hour is the max on this car. It's in very nice shape. Feel free to give us a call. And like I said, check out all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or call 507-386-1726. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. I'll pop that hood for you too so you can see what it looks like underneath that hood and see the engine bay and everything. But again, you can see the kind of the suede inlays on the seats. All very, very nice shape. Tell it's a well cared for car. FYI, this car was probably $270,000 roughly when it was new in 2010, so can have it at a fraction of the cost. That's
go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it. Miles in the car was just a little over 20,000. Go ahead and close the door and check out. There you go, 20,000, 518. Again, no warning lights, anything like that on. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. See more of the carbon fiber on the dash. I don't know if you can hear this, but we get the incredible sounding car. I'll go ahead and pop this hood for you. Slip around to the back. I mean, just a nice, quiet little rumble when it sits at idle, but this thing has to be a beast when you get it out on the road. Looking for a car you won't see every day. Here it is. I'm going to pause this a second while I open this hood and we can check out that engine bay. Well, there it is. The 6-liter twin turbocharged W12 engine. Don't get to see one of these every day. And again, just immaculate. Tell it was well cared for, very clean, very tidy. There you have it. We'll close that hood all the way here a second and see. This is how you pop and release the hood after you hit the release from inside the car, and you want to close it. Push it down. So there you go. 2010 Bentley Continental Supersports. Unbelievable. Beautiful car. 20,000 miles on it. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Give us a call, 507-386-1726.